Did you know that real estate has created more millionaires than any other investment? Imagine being able to turn properties into a steady stream of income and financial security. Welcome to our series on real estate investing, your ultimate real estate start. We'll uncover the secrets of the industry with our step-by-step guide, making property investment accessible to everyone. Today, we'll start by exploring the vast world of real estate and why it's gaining so much traction in 2024. And trust me, whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner's real estate enthusiast, you won't want to miss what we've got coming up next. Real estate is a massive industry, and its relevance in modern times, especially in 2024, cannot be overstated. With urbanization on the rise and more people seeking investment opportunities outside the traditional stock market, real estate has become a beacon of stability and profitability. There are countless ways to dive into property investment, but we'll be focusing on the most profitable and accessible ones in our series. From the simplicity of owning a rental home to the sophistication of commercial properties, real estate offers something for everyone. And the best part, it's easier to get started than you might think. Our step-by-step guide will show you just how simple it can be. Whether you're looking for your real estate start or are a beginner's real estate enthusiast, there's a type of investment that's right for you. Over the next few episodes, we'll delve into different types of real estate investments, breaking down their pros and cons and guiding you on how to get started. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's start with an overview of the most notable types of real estate investments in 2024. Trust me, each one has its own unique advantages and could be the perfect fit for your investment strategy. Types of real estate investments. So, you're probably wondering where to start, right? Well, let's kick things off with residential real estate. This is perhaps the simplest and most straightforward way to dip your toes into the real estate market. Think single-family homes, condos, townhouses, and multifamily units. These are the types of properties most people are familiar with, making them a great starting point. Then we have real estate investment trusts or REITs. These are like mutual funds for real estate. You invest in a company that owns, operates, or finances income-producing properties. It's a fantastic way to get exposure to real estate without actually having to manage physical properties. Next up are short-term rentals. With platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo booming, renting out properties on a short-term basis has become incredibly popular. It's a high-reward investment, especially in tourist-heavy areas. Lastly, we have commercial real estate. This includes office buildings, retail spaces, and industrial properties. While it's more complex and requires a bigger investment, the potential returns are substantial, and the lease terms are usually longer, providing a steady income stream. Residential real estate. Residential real estate is the bread and butter of the industry. It's the simplest and easiest way to start because it involves properties we all understand and use. Homes. Here's how you can get started. First, do your research. Understanding the market you're interested in is crucial. Look at property values, rental rates, and neighborhood growth trends. Websites like Zillow, Redfin, and local real estate listings can provide invaluable data. Check out forums and real estate groups on social media for local insights. It's also beneficial to attend open houses and speak with local real estate agents to get a feel for the market dynamics. Next, secure financing. This step can be intimidating, but there are several options available. A traditional mortgage is the most common route. But for first-time buyers, FHA loans offer lower down payment requirements and more lenient credit criteria. Another option is to leverage equity from another property if you already own one. Additionally, some investors use hard money loans for short-term funding, though these typically come with higher interest rates. Once you have financing sorted, start looking for properties. Focus on those that are undervalued or need minor renovations. These can offer the best returns. Look for homes in up-and-coming neighborhoods where property values are likely to increase. Pay attention to key factors like the proximity to schools, public transport, and amenities, which can significantly affect rental desirability and property value appreciation. After purchasing a property, consider whether you'll manage it yourself or hire a property manager. Managing the property yourself can save money and provide valuable experience, but it can also be time-consuming. On the other hand, a property manager can handle tenant relations, maintenance issues, and rent collection, but they typically charge a fee of around 8-12% of the monthly rent. Weigh the pros and cons based on your availability and comfort level with handling these tasks. Finally, find tenants. This might seem daunting, but with the right approach, using online rental platforms like Zillow Rental Manager, Apartments.com, or even Craigslist, you can reach a broad audience. Make sure to conduct thorough background checks to verify credit history, rental history, and employment status. This step is crucial to avoid potential issues down the line. Setting clear rental terms and having a well-drafted lease agreement will help ensure a smooth landlord-tenant relationship. Moreover, consider the rental price carefully. Too high, and you may struggle to find tenants. Too low, and you may not cover your costs. Research comparable properties in your area to find a competitive rental rate. Offering incentives like the first month free or including utilities in the rent can also attract more tenants. Maintaining good relationships with your tenants can lead to longer tenancy periods, reducing vacancy rates and turnover costs. Respond to maintenance requests promptly and ensure the property is well maintained. Happy tenants are more likely to take care of the property and stay longer. Now, you might be wondering, does this really work? Let's take a look at some real-life success stories that prove just how powerful residential real estate investing can be. Success stories. Consider the case of Brandon Turner from Bigger Pockets. He started with a simple duplex and, over time, built a portfolio of rental properties that provided him with financial freedom. His journey is a perfect example of a successful real estate start, showing how a well-executed step-by-step guide can lead to remarkable results in property investment. Or take Barbara Corcoran, who began with a $1,000 loan and turned it into a multi-million-dollar real estate business. Her story highlights the power of persistence and smart investing, making her a role model for any beginner's real estate enthusiast. These stories show that with the right approach, patience, and persistence, anyone can succeed in residential real estate. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into another exciting type of real estate investment that could be the perfect real estate start for your portfolio. We'll break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps with our step-by-step guide, ensuring you have all the tools you need to succeed. Reflect on the possibilities that residential real estate can offer you. Whether you're looking for steady rental income or a way to diversify your portfolio, residential real estate is a great place to start. By following these steps and learning from the pros, you can begin your journey into property investment with confidence. Remember, patience, research, and persistence are key. So, start researching and take your first steps into real estate investing. We'd love to hear from you. What type of real estate investment are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner's real estate enthusiast, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.